The Retro Roadshow is a pop-up museum that my family and I have created. We bring a variety of vintage computers and video games out into the world so that the public has an opportunity to experience our shared technological history firsthand. We are providing this as a service to our community. It's something that we love to do, and we think there's a lot of value in it for the Bay Area community as a whole. These are pieces of technology, these are artifacts, but each one of them tells a human story, whether that story is reflected in the people who created it or the people who ended up using them to create wonderful things of their own. I'm Huxley Dunsany. I am the co-founder of the Retro Roadshow, which is the Bay Area's premier pop-up museum of vintage technology. We hope to see you at one of our events.